There you go. Hey guys, we have another electric bike to try out. I'm calling this the summer of the electric bike because we're gonna get this all tuned in, make sure everybody has one, and see which one is our favorite. This one is a Mokwheel Scoria, and we haven't tried one of their brand before, but Paige, my little mechanic, is gonna put it together and then we'll take it for a spin. All right, so with all electric bikes and trikes, anything with a battery, drop it. Anything with a battery, you want to make sure that your battery gets a chance to warm up above freezing before you plug it in. It can be used at really cold temperatures, but it can't be charged at really cold temperatures. And we are definitely below freezing here in the garage, and so I need to pop this battery out, and I'm not going to charge it for a few hours. I'm going to let it do a slow, nice charge, or a slow, nice warm up in the house. Do we have keys to pop it out? Yeah. Let's see. You want to move your head and I'll do it? Okay. All right, so for with this battery, it pops up and in, and when you take it out, it drops down into your hand. So you really want to make sure you're holding on to it because you don't want to drop your battery. And it is freezing cold, so I'm going to take it in because it's hurting my hands. So there's a spacer, a small spacer on one side, and a pretty big spacer on this side. So make sure to keep your order of side when you take all the packaging off. Make sure to keep track of those spacers because you will need them. So it snaps in, but you got to have some dexterity to get it in without dropping it.
Yes, and then so it drops out to here, and then there's a second lock right here that
Hold on.
So there's a lock right here that you can turn either this way or this way, and it has a little latch that goes into here that will release it the rest of the way. So otherwise it just snaps it. Ooh, come on. Oh. Let me turn it up.
Hold on.
Hang on. Well, you have to see the whole intro.
Hello.
So.
Cute. And let's see the buttons. Oh, I like that it actually has your headlight button there, because that way you don't have to just hit all the weird things.
And you can look at the headlight too.
So there's a difference here. A lot of the other bikes we've tried, they don't have an intuitive way to turn on the light. You have to know the code.
You have to push these two buttons at the same time.
Yeah, on some of the others, but it also doesn't say that. You have to like go look it up online. So I like that this one, it's really straightforward.
And then there's the horn.
Oh, it's not too obnoxious. Do a little test run first to make sure nothing's too loose. Everything else that we've tried has been really high profile. This one is low profile. I'm excited to see.
It's really annoying for me, for a long-legged person, to have a low profile.
I know, but we have all the high profile ones for you long-legged people. Now we need one for us shorties. All right, so the throttle is nice. The pedal is nice. On Power Assist 1, it doesn't jerk the bike out from under you. It's a comfortable ride, and the fat tires are so fat that you have plenty of give and bounce without a spring in your seat post. And I really like that it's low profile. Okay, so I'm going to show where the throttle is.
Is it this?
This. Oh, why?
No.
You did.
No,
you
you
did.
pushed
I
it.
didn't touch
You
it. I
pushed
went
it.
like that.
Yes.
And you went thunk. Don't push the throttle, goober.
I was playing with it earlier and I didn't think it did anything.
Yes, it does. It does something.
Okay. That wasn't even throttle.
So it has more street tires. They're still fat tires, but they're more street tires instead of chunky, grippy tires. And it's not having any problem in the mud. What do you think? Is it your favorite so far?
I think that it's going to be a little scary to have Grandma on.
Well, yeah. We should call Grandma and see if she wants to ride it over here.
Alright, so love the bike. I think it's awesome. The one thing I would change is the instruction manual. It is very vague. It does not tell you what screws go where, what brackets go to each piece. You have to figure out it on your own. I also think that they sent the wrong instruction manual for this bike because the handlebars and a lot of other things are way different in the instruction manual from this one. I think it was for a different bike that they still own, just not the Scoria. So
Scoria.
But I think it's a good bike. I think it's cute. I think it looks like a station wagon a little bit. Just the colors and the design a little bit.
What do you think? Does it feel stable enough?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and turn it back around. So we're making Grandma do all the hard work and all the turning and all the getting off because it's a heavy bike. And we want to make sure she can stabilize the bike itself before we give her an engine. Just past that wood pile with the
Oh, this right here.
just past the wood pile. And the reason for that is I want you to test your brakes. When you get unstable, use your brakes and put your feet down. Don't keep your feet on the pedals, okay? So we're going to go to Power Assist 1. You're going to bring up your right pedal just a tiny, tiny bit. Look forward, don't look at me. And go ahead and push. Make sure to restabilize before you try again. Look up, and push.
Oh my God!
Make sure you got your brakes. There you go. How did that feel?
That was wild!
Was it scary?
No, it was exciting.
Okay. Where you're going, don't go through the deep mud. Try to go somewhere that's a little less deep.
You want me to keep going?
Yep. Just make sure to look where you're going. There you go. Okay. Do you feel like it's safe? Do you feel like it's fun? What do you think?
The bike?
Yeah. What do you think of it?
Oh, it's kind of fun.
It's kind of fun.
Kind of exciting.
Is it scary?
Kind of scary.
Kind of scary.
Because I haven't been on a bike for many, many years.
So do you want to wait until we can come ride with you but do you want to come ride it here at my house for a while before you take it home?
That might be a better idea.
Let's keep it here and let you practice here until you feel comfy. Sound
Okay.
good?
Mm-hmm.